Hopefully, Michelle McQuarrie has been buying one. Michelle McQuarrie joins us from New York to talk about short selling. It's up. These bets against the Standard & Poor's 500 index rose for the first time since March. And Michelle, what are investors and traders seeing?
Well, that's right, Susan. A lot of people long on shorts these days. Short interest on the S&P 500 climbed to 9.8 billion shares as of June 15th. That is a gain of almost 1% from 2 weeks earlier. And the reason is healthcare. As healthcare reform works its way through Congress, short sellers are raising their bets against drug makers, distributors, and HMOs. Wall Street senses that there is going to be a hit to the healthcare industry's earnings, no matter exactly what plan Congress eventually comes up with. Now, the latest short interest data from the exchanges shows that of the 10 groups in the S&P 500, bets against healthcare jumped the most, going up 7% overall in the last 2 weeks. And perhaps no better example of that is Cardinal Health. Short interest in the drug distributor jumped 89% in the space of just 2 weeks to about 6 million shares in mid-June. Susan?
Well, speaking of healthcare, Merck and Pfizer stock is being shorted. Interest seems to be soaring on this stock as well.
That's right. A lot of short interest on both of those stocks. It could be part of the general healthcare shorting trend, but there's actually a lot more to this story. They're in the process of taking over Shearing, Plough, and Wyeth, respectively. So there's a merger arbitrage trade going on, and that trade involves shorting Merck and Pfizer. Susan?
Okay, Michelle, thank you for that. Michelle McQuarrie joining us from New York.